Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping Bot. And I think if you visit my channel now, then you're not coming back for this video, because this video is not about the bot. It's not that you're interested in the bot and into the Python program that I made for automated trading. Now, you started this video because you wanted to start with trading, and what are these strange red and green bars on such a screen like this? And I want to know what it is. And this video, I'm going to explain to you what you're looking at and what these bars means. So, if you want to know, just stick around. And if you look at this, you see a lot of red and green in this case, but sometimes in the other cases it is blue, but usually it is red. And these things, these bars going up and down, has some meaning. It's not only showing up as we're going down like this, or we're going up and down and again up, but these bars actually are something more. And if I zoom in on these bars and widen them a bit, then you see, that these bars has some lines above and beneath, and sometimes they have on both sides a line and sometimes they don't. Usually they do have on both sides a line. And if you look at these, it could say, and that's where the name came from, those lines are wicks, a wick on the upper side and a wick on the other side. So we're talking about trading candles or a candle. And what does a candle say to you except that it's green or red and those wicks? Let me explain this to you. If you look at a candle, and that's what I explained here in this very basic drawing in Paint, you see that these candles are giving you information about the price at that moment in that range. And no matter if you're looking at a 5-minute range or 1 hour range or a day range, it will say how the price went during that time period. And when you see this starting point is always the opening price. Where did it start? It's the opening price, and again right here. When the price went down during your time period, during that hour, then the closing price will be right here and the candle will be red. If you have the opening price and the price went up higher, then you will have a blue or a green candle. And in between, you see that the wicks are also information for us, because during the time period, the lowest point, the lowest price that ever has been that period in that day, for example, is shown by this point, and the highest price that has ever been is shown by this point, the other end of the wick. And that's what you see in the chart. What went up and how much did it went up, and how much trading is going on, how much discussion about the price. Well, that's what it really says. The longer the candle is, the less discussion there was about the price. If we go back to the trading view, then you see that these are very long candle with a small wick right down here. So this was really no discussion. Everybody is selling and say, okay, we're gonna sell. and you see we have a very good downtrend. But sometimes, and I see right one here, you see we have an opening and a closing price very close to each other, and a long wick to the upper and a long wick to the down means there was not that easy about the price, and the price did not change, hardly did change. So then eventually it went down. But the more you see those candles like this one, you see a lot of candles which are the wicks longer than the candle. That means that there is not that much trading going on, and there is not much discussion about what the price should be or how the price should be. And that is what the candle tells you. I hope you liked the video. If you did, press like. And if you want to know more about my bot and what I do with the Nasdaq trading, the scalping trading, you're welcome to see the other videos of mine. Look for the most recent, because there's a daily upload of a video. So I can tell you, look at that video, because there is a daily upload. So then you should subscribe. And others? And if not, I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully see you next time.